Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming which Minecraft edition you run, Java or Bedrock, because the update path differs. Once done, back up your world saves to a separate folder or cloud. Make sure to close the game first, so files aren't locked. Now free at least 2 GB of disk space and verify a stable 5 megabits per second connection to avoid corruption during download. Then open the native launcher or storefront client. You're ready to trigger the update process from the launcher interface. You choose the official launcher or platform storefront because that ensures file integrity and automatic patches. Once there, pick the latest release for stability or the snapshot channel if you need new features. Remember why you chose it since snapshots can be unstable. Click Update or Install, then grant administrator permissions if prompted so files can be replaced correctly. While the client downloads and installs, do not interrupt power or network. When progress finishes, allow the launcher to apply runtime patches and restart the game. You finish by testing your worlds in single player to confirm integrity before joining servers. Once loaded, update any mods, data packs, or resource packs to versions compatible with the new release. Mismatches often cause crashes. If you use a mod loader, check its compatibility and reinstall the correct loader build. Make sure to re-enable backups. If something goes wrong, clear the launcher cache, roll back to your backup world, and reinstall the launcher. These steps usually resolve corruption or launch errors quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.